cabbage. So for our cabbage, we want to make sure that it's rock solid and that the outer leaves have minimal bruising or blemishes. As I turn my cabbage over, you'll see that there's a large root which we want to remove. Best way to do this is by taking your paring knife and making a circular incision around the root. Continue to carve until it's fully removed. And there's our core. Next, I like to remove the very first layer of leaves as they tend to be slightly bruised and wilted. However, they're perfect to use in a vegetable stock, so save them along with your root. I'll slice the cabbage right down the center and then into quarters. For salads or slaws, I like to use the washoku method to slice the cabbage into thin strips. You can also cut into wedges. I'll then remove the core and slice in half. I'll remove any remaining core from my wedge, and then I can separate and cut into squares, which are perfect for Asian stir fries. With these layers, they're naturally stacked, so you can cut into a julienne. I can then proceed to cut into a brunoise. If you wish, you can also keep the wedge's root intact, which is great to grill or pan roast. And that is our cabbage broken down.